Have you ever wondered? For centuries, human intelligence has stood and rivaled. Yet today, artificial intelligence is rising. But is AI a partner, or rival, or something entirely different? Hi everyone, welcome to our video, AI versus human past, present, and the future battle. I'm Leo, and this is my best friend Neo.
Hi!
He's kind, and always ready to learn, help, and explore ideas with me. Today, we're diving into an incredible journey through time from the birth of human intelligence to the rise of machines like Neo. And in the end, we'll face the big question, who will truly own the future, humans or AI? Neo, please be quiet for a moment. I let him rest. So now let's get back to our work. Have you ever wondered? For centuries, human intelligence has stood and rivaled. Yet today, artificial intelligence is rising. But is AI a partner, or rival, or something entirely different? Our story begins millions of years ago when humans discovered fire. From stone tools to the wheel, from simple flutes to the printing press, each invention amplified our intelligence and shaped civilization. In the 18th and 19th centuries, steam engines changed everything. For the first time, machines helped humans lift heavy loads, travel across oceans, and defeat distance itself. Then in the early 20th century, Ada Lovelace and Alan Turing dreamed even bigger. Turing asked a bold question: can a machine think like a human? By the mid-1900s, those dreams began to take shape. Huge computers filled rooms, solving math problems in seconds. The idea of thinking machines was no longer science fiction, it was getting real. AI is no longer just a science fiction idea, it's real and part of our daily lives. Self-driving cars move through city streets. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa answer our questions. Smart algorithms suggest the next movie or song we might like. In factories, robots build our cars with speed and precision. In hospitals, AI helps doctors find tumors and diseases earlier. In finance, algorithms trade stocks faster than any human ever could. AI is now helping with creative work. It creates art, writes music, and even helps programmers write code. Today, AI tools can write blog posts, design digital paintings, or compose full symphonies. Will AI only support us, or will it replace us in some jobs? Will people lose their jobs, and what happens when machines start making big decisions? Can we trust AI to be fair? Studies show that AI might automate 30 to 40% of the jobs we have today. That means machines could take over some tasks people do now. But experts also believe new kinds of jobs will be created, like AI trainers, people who guide how AI learns, ethics experts who make sure AI follows human values, and designers who shape how people interact with smart systems. AI won't simply take jobs away, it will change the way we live and work. We're not just entering an era of loss, we're entering an era of change. Imagine a world where AI is more intelligent than any person, able to write best-selling books, solve scientific mysteries, or even govern better than politicians. This kind of power could lead to amazing progress, or it could disrupt the balance of society. AI systems might grow too fast, become secretive, or follow goals that don't align with ours, focused only on profit or power. If we don't set clear rules, we could lose control. That's why governments, researchers, or follow goals, and global organizations are already working on AI laws and safety standards to make sure AI stays transparent, fair, and under human control. The future is not already decided. This isn't a story about machines fighting humans. So today, ask yourself, are you ready to build and create with AI instead of being replaced by it? Will we develop AI carefully, with ethics and empathy? Because when it comes to AI and humans, maybe there is no fight.